gosh.
Leia is channeling her inner fighter. That tiny stance is just too cute to handle.
Fazendo o quê?
When you hear that, a happy person is someone who creates their own joy. Oh, so cute! This adorableness makes me skip the nail trimming right now.
A fierce battle persists, but the alpha won't give in. Endless battles, dogs and cats under the same roof.
What in the world are they doing? This is called a lot of things like nibs, nibbles, corn cobbing, flea biting. First of all, it's a sign of affection. Both dogs and cats can partake.
Effective.
Oh my gosh.
Leia is channeling her inner fighter. That tiny stance is just too cute to handle. This little kitten. Seeing this kitten curled up in a blanket makes me want to cuddle and sleep right away. So incredibly cute. Oh, Mama Cat, will this litter ever end? Such an adorable bunch of kittens.
Have you had enough cuteness for today? If not, or if you're all set, see you next time. show this video to your teacher if they don't believe your homework was chewed up.
After hundreds of hours of training, just
Amélia. Amélia.
tries to show love, but the little one doesn't cooperate. The result is the big cat immediately regretting it with this grumpy face. This kitten is so eager to catch birds but keeps missing. So incredibly adorable.
Nope, stay there. Garfield.
I told you I don't like it. Stop bothering me, puppy. The cat's grumpy face says it all.
Yes, Nogs. Good job. Good. Oh.
You will realize that nature is truly adorable for creating such heart-melting cats.
Dog's bed is an endless ward.
This is what happens when you're a bad boy. You get time.
Winner.
Yay! She found
Pearl is the smartest one.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
somewhere between sunshine and silence.
Chucky, you tried so hard.
Don't wake the baby up.
My cat being dramatic because my dog won't let him lick his paws.
Going to bed and having this fluffy little worm snuggle up with you, better than 100 teddy bears.
Considerate dog. The cat boss can take all the time. No one's rushing. But mighty. This little gymnast in training. This kitty is working on its upper body strength. What a champion. Such a sweet and touching sight. When you have both a dog and a cat, you'll experience plenty. Having a mischievous ginger little brother means getting showered with kisses. Big sister is quite good at enduring it. After pampering the cat, it's time to break up the puppy's jealousy attack. So much work.
Amelia. Amelia.
Have you had enough cuteness for today? If not, or if you're all set, See you next time.
When Sen wants another friend, but the new kitten is too mischievous, making the big cat give in. Kittens clinging to mom, never letting go.
Don't get annoyed at me. Don't get annoyed at me, huh?
The usual way for being fed is too bland. Standing up.
Bicket.
Yeah, it's like the ninja thing.
Yeah.
Nap time completely destroyed by the new member. The ginger cat's face is full of resignation and helplessness.
The kitty. Oh, you still you're not very happy. You don't like the kitty and the naughty? Oh.
Don't even think about it. The dog's scared eyes say it all about the... This feels like the first step toward friendship. After lift from the cat makes the dog understand instantly.
Kittens are usually energetic and full of cute expressive emotions.
She loved it so much she fell asleep.
This kitten is as soft as a cotton ball. Just looking at it melts my heart with cuteness. That standing pose says, I was not informed about this new tiny roommate.
Gal.
Get some kittens. It'll be fun.
Open it right now. Tilt the bottle. A little bit more. You see it's getting kind of close. His ear. I can't believe he's shardish.
Here's a time.
Instant connection. These tiny shadows just found their forever human and safely from another country. Such a Seeing this kitten curled up in a blanket makes me want to cuddle and sleep right away. So incredibly cute. Warrior is showing that teddy who's boss. Just one day after arriving, Big Sister is already cuddling and caring for the little one. Love comes so quickly and sweetly. This adorable motherly love makes everyone want a kitten. Unexpected friendship. That cat knew the dog couldn't jump, so it poked him calmly, like someone clinging like superglue, refusing to leave its owner's side. Such adorable loyalty.
You will realize that nature is truly adorable for creating such heart-melting cats.
Even rest isn't peaceful with this super energetic baby. The big cat just wants to lie still, but the little one won't allow it.
Cookie, you tried so hard.
After hundreds of hours of training, just
Oh, so cute! This adorableness makes me skip the nail trimming right now.
thank you so much for joining us on this incredibly cute journey. Which moment in the video made you want to adopt a kitten right away? The first friendly nose touch. From shyness to acceptance, Big Sister has opened her. This cozy little cloud found its favorite sleeping spot. So much perfection and comfort. Just looking at it makes life feel good. After pampering the cat, it's time to break up the puppy's jealousy attack. So much work. Instant connection. These tiny shadows just found their forever human and
You're a father, Cheeto.
Your father, Cheeto!
Stop running.
Jerry, come here, baby.
likely from another country. Such a thought it preferred solitude, but the big cat summoned the little ones to play. Truly a no on the outside, yes on the inside situation.
Hey guys, I lost my cat.
The most perfect hiding spot is where no one expects.
My cat, so
This cat is a
The cat is playing with a toy. I think it's more like the toy is playing with the cat. Cats can be great at observing and learning, but they can also look like this.
This is the cutest little power nap ever. Gravity, balance, and sleep all negotiating together.
Introducing our new kitten to our cat.
Adopting cats, then you gotta accept that anything soft and cozy, like blankets, is no longer yours alone.
Wonder what the human
Don't get annoyed at me. Don't get annoyed at me, huh?
Fazer do quê?
When you hear that, a happy person is someone who creates their own joy.
this little kitten. Mixed with hilarious emotions.
My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all. Meow.
Considerate dog. That handsome
Can you tell the cat I love you? Oh, she's gonna get your tail. You better be careful. Don't wake your tail.
This boy must be really enjoying the sunny weather today. Show this video to your teacher if they don't believe your homework was chewed up.
thought it preferred solitude, but the big cat summoned the little ones to play. Truly a no on the outside, yes on the inside situation. The little kitten just wants to make friends, but the big sister is still wary, observing from behind the curtain. No sibling bond yet.
Introducing our new kitten to our cat.
And tell me what's so funny that this kitten is smiling so brightly. I really want to know why dogs are often afraid of cats.
You don't have to be scared of the kitty. Come on. It's okay. It's just a kitty.
She loved it so much she fell asleep.
This cozy little cloud found its favorite sleeping spot. So much perfection and comfort.
You're a father, Cheeto.
Your father, Cheeto!
Stop running.
Jerry, come here, baby.
The first friendly nose touch. From shyness to acceptance, Big Sister has opened her. My personal chauffeur. This curious kitten found a perfect ride for some house exploration.
Yes, Nogs. Good job.
This boy must be really enjoying the sunny weather today.
Somewhere between sunshine and Siler, such a sweet and touching sight.
Siyempre, manugang ko na! Manugang ko! Ano mo sabihin mo na okay? Itong tayo na ito'y bayad ha!
When you have both a dog and a cat, you'll experience plenty of
Sky girl, what are you doing in there? What are you doing in there, pretty girl? You so freaking cute, pretty girl.
Going to bed and having this fluffy little worm snuggle up with you, better than 100 teddy bears.
warmth from the sleeping big cat. This tender moment melts every heart.